A lot of people, as you may know, have a bad relationship with math. Often they don't like it or they don't do well in it. This is partly because of things they don't know about math that we will show you in this course.
We went to San Francisco and asked people what they thought about math. How do you feel about math?
How do I feel about math? Let's see. I use it at work. It's a tool. I'm not sure I can. I guess in some ways you feel it if you can relate it to nature, but I don't know. I feel math in a sense. Not when I study just math, no.
Why?
Because I can't understand it unless it relates to something physical.
Math? You're joking.
How do you feel about math?
How can you have a feeling about math?
I love math. I think it's relevant to a lot of things, day-to-day life, obviously, and how we move. I mean, I guess that's the physics aspect of it, but yeah, I think math is great.
How do you like it, dislike it?
I never really liked it too much, but I guess I liked being able to figure stuff out if I had to.
And what didn't you like about it?
Just some of the more esoteric stuff that I didn't feel was directly applicable to my life.
Okay. How do you feel about math?
Kind of hate it. I was good at it up until middle school, and then after that it sucks.
What do you mean? How can you feel something about math?
Do you like it?
No.
What don't you like about it?
That there's a lot of rules, every different subject, such as geometry, advanced algebra, calculus. Like, there's a lot of stuff to learn. And
I liked stuff that was more explanatory, like what is it, that like imaginative numbers and things like that. That didn't make too much sense. Okay. Okay, so how do you feel about math?
I love math.
And you?
I mean, it's better than English, I'll tell you that.
How do I feel about math? I think it's frustrating.
Okay. Why?
Because there's no room for, I guess, interpretation. It's just a fact. You can't change how you would figure out the problem.
All right, so how do you feel about math, the subject?
How do I feel about math?
Yeah.
It was very boring growing up. I appreciate it more as an adult.
Okay,
but
so-
when I was a kid, I did not like math.
All right. Why is that?
It was a lot of repetition. And why else didn't I like it? Yeah, just all the practice, doing it over and over again. And back when I was a kid, we had to draw out all the graphs, and long division was very tedious. So it was just tedious, yeah.
Okay. All right. So how do you feel about math?
I think it all adds up.
Okay.
As you will have heard, lots of people we spoke to didn't like math. Some liked it, but very few. And the difference between those who did and those who didn't like math is the experiences they had. Think about the people who didn't like math. What did they say that turned them off?